Well, we have a story about an Uber driver who was arrested and charged. I'm gonna get into the latest today. Please thumbs up the video to help spread this message to America. And also, I wanna let you all know, if you are an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a food delivery driver, there is a new insurance company that is helping gig workers get rideshare policies, new auto insurance policies. This is gonna cancel your old policy and potentially save you thousands of dollars. So check the link below to sign up, and when you do get a free quote, they're gonna send you a $20 Visa gift card. The name is Buckle Up, and the link will be in the description. Listen to this. Sydney Uber driver has been charged with R-word claims. The encounter was claims the encounter was consensual. Wow. A driver for the ride-sharing service Uber has been charged with R-word after an alleged incident in his vehicle on Saturday night. A Sydney rideshare driver, we're talking about Sydney, Australia. A Sydney, Australia rideshare driver accused of R a woman while driving her home says the encounter was consensual, court has heard. Uber driver Savenaka Rokosiga, 50 years old, allegedly picked up the woman outside a Rouse Hill pub about 11:30 p.m. on Saturday. Guys, I've seen so many comments in my comment section out on Facebook, especially on YouTube, about people saying, you know, or on TikTok, about a video about a guy getting hit on by a girl, and all the comments are big, oh, if I was in that ride, yeah, I would have taken that girl home. Guys, an intoxicated woman, you should know better, cannot give consent. If you hook up with an intoxicated passenger, that is unconsensual. Rokosiga, you would be surprised at who needs to hear that. It's shocking and scary. Rokosiga was supposed to drop the 30-year-old woman home, but, so 20-year age gap, by the way, 50 years old and a 30-year-old woman home, but instead stopped his car in Marsden Park and R'd her, police said. He then took her the rest of the way to her home in Penrith. The next day, the woman reported the R to police before midday, and Rokosiga was subsequently arrested at his Granville home. Is this in America? It says Sydney. Yeah, it is in Australia. He was charged with 2 counts of SA without consent. Rokosiga appeared at Parramatta local court on Monday, where his legal aid lawyer applied for bail. The accused does not deny that he had an S encounter with the complainant. But the driver claimed the encounter was consensual. Now, this is a he said, she said type of thing. How do you prove that this was consensual or unconsensual? Gosh. In my understanding, if they can prove that the woman was intoxicated or had anything to drink that night, that's going to look very, very, very bad for the driver. Why? Because, like I said before, you know, I'm no legal expert, but I assume, this is what I learned, is that if you're intoxicated whatsoever, you cannot give consent. You're not able to provide consent if you're intoxicated, because you're not in the right state of mind, right? Obvious. Much will depend on the evidence given by the complainant at any future trial the court heard for John. So I'll keep you guys up to date with what happens here, but I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think about this? Thanks for watching. Again, check out Buckle Up Rideshare Insurance down below to get a free quote and take advantage of that $20 offer. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.